Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add points in Google Forms. To add points, start by opening your form and clicking on the settings icon. Make sure to toggle Make this a quiz to on it. Then go back to your question. The easiest way is to click on Answer key. From here, you can assign points to the question. For example, you can set the point value to 100. You can also add answer feedback. Click on Answer feedback. For incorrect answers, you can add feedback like try again. For correct answers, you can add feedback such as good job. Once finished, click Save. Then click Done. You can also mark the question as required so respondents can't skip it. Adding points is especially useful for quizzes, tests, and assessments. It helps track performance and calculate scores automatically. You can review results in the Responses tab or open them in Google Sheets. Click the link to Sheets icon for deeper analysis. By enabling quiz mode, you can add points, set correct answers, and score responses automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.